Because I know this is probably around the time you started to do Love and Harmony cruise.
Yes, 2019, that's my first year of Love and Harmony. In the early morning, I will never forget about that moment. Bobby Conda called me in 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, because the time zones are different. So Bobby said, I'm gonna pick up a phone. Yo, Bobby, what one? So I have I give you a job. What's that? Then you wanna play on big ship?
Yeah.
Big ship? So I didn't expect that.
Yeah.
I can play Lava Harmony Cruise. So then I said, he explained about the Lava Harmony Cruise. Bobby, I can't say no. So next year, I joined Lava Harmony Cruise. So then promoter asked me who wanna bring, who wanna go to Lava Harmony Cruise with. So in my mind, I wanna bring dancer. So that's why Ivan from Okinawa, his name is Blackanese. So I decided to bring him. So then, and his friend. So that's my crew over first year of Lava Harmony Cruise. So then every year, this year is the fourth year, yeah.
Fourth year.
Yeah.
Because I know one of the biggest ones you did was 2022 with the Beenie Man.
Yeah. Everybody asked me about.
Listen, that was crazy. The Johnny Osborne, because clearly you had this in your box. What made you decide to cut that Johnny Osborne in the first place? No Chinese, no Taiwanese, no this Japanese. What made you come up with the idea to cut the dub in that style there? And then tell me about that night there.
Yeah, because I was a dub play for Song Clash, right? Yeah, because sometimes son of MC, this Japanese sounds as a Chinese boy and something like that. So I want to defend the MC. So that's why I voiced a song. Then I was not supposed to play the dub because on Love Harmony, the crowd is not about dub play, especially killing dub play and song class dub play. They are not interested in that. Yeah. So, but Beenie Man, I think Beenie Man, I'm not sure I can say or not. Beenie Man was drunk maybe, or Beenie Man enjoy himself so much. Then when he introduced me, so everything is by accident. Yeah, because Beenie Man was not supposed to be there.
Well, he wasn't supposed to be there.
Because it's an after party. So it's not a, main artist, main performing live, So after he finished performing, he came to after party. So then he looks like he feel good. Then he introduced me, but he introduced me as it's not a bad way, but it's for entertain thing. He Japanese, what you do? So I try to use that moment to play Johnny Osborne. So then, doctor is not me is not a regular Japanese, me name Black Ninja, So the me go forward by the word. So then I play Johnny Osborne, me be a forward.
Boss.
Yeah.
Boss up you played the Kung Fu fighting, the Johnny Osborne, the Shabba Ranks Love Panani. But when I seen you drop those, I said, yo, this guy's not playing. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah. Rory from Stone Love was there. So then Rory told me that, yo, you got good set.
Yeah.
So because so many legendary were around me. So Glamour Wayne was there. Yeah. Big old Glamour.
Glamour Wayne, Beenie Man, Rory, that's top of the top right there. You know what I mean?
Feel like I was dreaming that night because many legendary. So I play with them kind of.
That's crazy. You know what I mean?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.